knowledge from the books, but make us an honest and kind human being. They instill values, inspire creativity, and guide us on the path of success. Today, we have the privilege to honor our teachers whose non-stop hard work have no boundaries.
As we celebrate Teachers' Day today, I want to take a moment to extend my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to all the teachers who make a profound impact in our lives and in our campus. So, loudly, collectively say, Happy Teachers' Day. Announcers to guiding, inspiring, and nurturing the students, helping them to grow not only academically but also personally. They are trying to fulfill their commitments to
inspiration and hope. A good teacher is like a candle, it consumes itself to light the way to others. We appreciate everything you do and wish you a wonderful Teachers' Day. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Thank you for your tireless efforts, unwavering support and guidance throughout our educational journey. Your dedication, passion and commitment to the excellence have made a significant impact on our life, shaping us into the person we are today. We are grateful for your presence, mentorship and friendship. You are not just teachers, but because of Happy Teachers Day! Happy Teachers Day! Happy Teachers Day! You are my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my light of life. You are a gift from God. You are my best friend. You are a role model. You are my light of life. You are a gift from God.
And dear students, first of all, I wish all the teachers and your father a happy Teachers' Day. Say loudly. Okay, good. So today we are celebrating the Teachers' Day, and I told you before, you have to wish your teachers. When you see a teacher today, wish the teacher.
അറിവിന്റെ തിരുനാളമധ്യാപകർ ഇരുളിൽ വെളിച്ചമായി തെളിഞ്ഞിടുന്നു. അഴലിന്റെ പാതയിൽ വഴികാട്ടിയായി കൂടെ നടക്കുന്നതധ്യാപകർ. അറിവെന്ന നിധി എൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലെന്നും കരുതി വയ്ക്കുന്നതും അധ്യാപകർ. അജ്ഞതയാമിരുൾ പാതയതിൽ നേർവഴി കാട്ടുന്നതധ്യാപകർ. നന്മതൻ നിറകുടമധ്യാപകർ. സ്നേഹത്തിൻ നിറവായി വിളങ്ങിടുന്നു. വിജ്ഞാനമാകുന്ന അണയാത്ത ദീപമേ മുൻപിൽ തെളിക്കുന്നതധ്യാപകർ.